Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by softening the keratin bond so removal is controlled and safe. Apply a targeted bond remover or solvent directly to each bond, saturating the base for about 5 to 10 minutes so the keratin begins to break down. Once done, work in small 1/4 sections and clip surrounding hair away. This keeps the area visible and prevents tangling. Make sure to protect the scalp with a towel or barrier. Use a paddle brush, then a wide tooth comb to gently loosen adjacent hairs. This prevents pulling as you proceed. You now focus on breaking down each bond and extracting the extension. Apply more solvent if needed, then use a heat-free removal tool or a flat metal pick to press at the base and twist gently. The goal is to loosen the keratin casing, not pull hair. Once the bond yields, slide the extension off the natural strand with slow, steady motion. If you feel resistance, stop and reapply remover. Forcing causes breakage. After removal, trim residual keratin carefully with small scissors, then cleanse with clarifying shampoo to remove residue. You finish by restoring and protecting natural hair. Rinse thoroughly and apply a deep conditioning mask for 15 to 30 minutes that balances protein and moisture. This rebuilds bonds and reduces porosity. Make sure to inspect the scalp for irritation. If you see redness, apply a soothing serum and pause further work. If any keratin deposits remain stubborn after 2 solvent cycles, stop and consult a trained stylist rather than forcing removal, because pulling risks breakage. This final care prevents damage and helps hair recover its strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.